Have you ever seen an Hourglass that runs on code? In today's video, we are building a smart LED Hourglass powered by an ESP32-C6 RGB LED matrices that perfectly simulate falling sand using real-time physics. It automatically flips when tilted, changes themes, glows with mesmerizing gradients, and you can even control everything from your smartphone through a built-in Wi-Fi portal. This is more than just a gadget. It's a blend of art, electronics, and smart design. So, let's see how it all comes together. The Beetle ESP32-C6 acts as the brain of the entire system, controlling the LED matrices, reading motion data from the MPU6050 sensor, and managing the sand simulation logic in real time. It also hosts the built-in Wi-Fi captive portal, allowing users to adjust brightness, color themes, and physics settings directly from their smartphone. This board only outputs 3.3 volts, so we are providing external 5 volts to power LED matrices. This tiny board seamlessly handles both the visual effects and smart interactions that bring the LED Hourglass to life. In this project, the MPU6050 sensor detects tilt and motion, allowing the Hourglass to automatically flip and react just like a real one when rotated. This sensor gets power from the microcontroller. The visual magic of this project comes from WS2812 RGB LED matrices. Each LED acts like an individual grain of sand, glowing and falling realistically with smooth color transitions which create stunning gradient effects and sparkles, making every movement feel alive. Here's how the smart Hourglass is wired. The Beetle ESP32-C6 drives both WS2812 LED matrices and MPU6050 sensor for motion detection. Place 330 ohm resistor on the data line to protect the LED from signal spikes, and a 1000 microfarad capacitor is added across the power input to smooth voltage fluctuations. This project runs on 6 core files, 3 code files that handle the main logic, animation, mapping, and 3 web files stored in the ESP32's data folder. Together, they create a perfect blend of smart code and smooth user experience. The entire system works in perfect sync between hardware and software. The main sketch controls the ESP32 LED animation and motion detection, while the diamond mapper defines the Hourglass shape and animation logic. The data folder holds the web interface files. Together, these files turning code, light, and motion into a mesmerizing digital Hourglass. And here it is, the moment we've been working toward. The Smart RGB Hourglass, powered by the ESP32, glowing in perfect rhythm with gravity itself. Every LED acts as a digital grain of sand, flowing smoothly through our custom physics engine. What makes this project truly special is that it's not just another LED build. It's a reimagined RGB Hourglass, combining real-time motion sensing, stunning color gradients, and web interface. In this part, we focused on the concept and hardware, but the core code and advanced features are still evolving. I'll be sharing the final optimized code and new features in the upcoming part of this series, so stay tuned. If this project inspired you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Till then, I am THK Dude, signing off.